Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. 35 Millsborough Avenue is an intimate and private subdivision of 5 luxury homes that each sits on a quarter-acre lot. With its sophisticated design, exclusive Kingston 6 location, and straightforward elegance, this 4-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom home spans 8,300 square feet. You enter the home via a courtyard through an impressive pivot door. An open floor plan greets you that is framed by an unparalleled view of Kingston. On the main floor, there is a bedroom suite with a view of the mountains, living room, patio, dining room, and kitchen with superior appliances and the chef's pantry. Upstairs are the 3 additional bedrooms, one of which is currently configured as a luxe home office suite. The recreation room on the 3rd level opens onto your infinity edge pool, wet bar, and pool deck. The sub-basement can be finished for use as a home office, gym, or a self-contained apartment. This contemporary residence is reminiscent of homes that adorn the hills overlooking Los Angeles. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.8 million, or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.